Hey everyone, so इधर है मेरा वर्कआउट स्टैक आज ही आया है फ्रॉम माई प्रोटीन. सो देखेंगे व्हाट आई नॉर्मली टेक इन टर्म्स ऑफ माई सप्लीमेंट्स, इसमें क्या क्या है एंड व्हाट यू शुड टेक इफ यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन एन ओवरऑल फिटनेस. या तो आप नए हैं जिम में, आपको कौन कौन से सप्लीमेंट्स लेने चाहिए. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Now the first one which I have ordered is a pre-workout. Now sometimes before doing my workout I don't feel that energy, that push. So then this supplement helps. मैं इसको regular basis पे consume नहीं करता हूँ, but yes, when I feel tired and I don't feel like doing my workouts, this really helps. Now normally I take pre-workouts during my mornings or afternoons because evening में अगर मैं इसको लेता हूँ evening workouts के साथ तो मेरा स्लीप साइकिल डेफिनेटली अ बिट डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है, जो मेरे को पसंद नहीं है. सो आपके साथ भी अगर सेम प्रॉब्लम है, प्री वर्कआउट लेने के बाद आपका स्लीप साइकिल डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है, तो या तो आप इसको शिफ्ट करें, अपने मॉर्निंग वर्कआउट में लें, या तो आफ्टरनून वर्कआउट में लें. तो वर्कआउट टाइमिंग शिफ्ट करें या तो फिर अवॉइड कर लेना. एज सिंपल एज दैट. नाउ सेकंड है, वेयर इज दैट, माय फेवरेट सप्लीमेंट व्हिच इज क्रिएटिन. Now creatine I normally consume on a regular basis because it keeps my muscles hydrated. So as a result my muscle looks more fuller, but at the same time it helps me for that recovery and giving that extra push in the gym. So either आप इसको pre-workout consume कर सकते हैं या तो post-workout consume कर सकते हैं. Now normally people do loading phase of creatine. That means they take somewhat around 15 to 20 grams of creatine in their first week and then they reduce it to maintenance phase. Whereas I normally take just 3 to 5 grams every day. So I don't do loading. सो इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग लोडिंग, आप इसको रेगुलरली एवरी डे कंज्यूम कर सकते हो. अगर आप लोडिंग करते हो तो दे डू इट इन साइकिल्स. नॉर्मली 1 से 1.5 महीने का साइकिल चलता है और फिर गैप होता है. तो आप दोनों वैसे कर सकते हो, बट आई नॉर्मली प्रेफर जस्ट कंज्यूमिंग इट एवरी डे 3 to 5 grams. Then I have my Impact Whey Protein. This is blueberry cheesecake flavor. Now flavor तो बहुत delicious sound कर रहा है, but इसका taste कैसा होगा I don't know. So we will try that and I will definitely let you know इसका taste कैसा है, so that if you prefer something cheesy, something cakey, you can definitely order that. By the way, एक scoop में has 20 grams of protein and then some BCAAs as well, which will help me for recovery. Now एक और flavor है whey protein का, which is banana flavor. It says natural banana. Now the reason behind buying this is sometimes I like making my morning milkshakes, so I thought banana flavor उसके साथ अच्छा जाएगा. So इसको भी taste करेंगे and definitely I will leave a comment on it कि कैसा है, आपको लेना चाहिए नहीं लेना चाहिए. Then they have also sent me some goodies. So they have sent me some small sachets of whey protein. This is salted caramel flavor and this is chocolate mint. So ये दोनों भी try किया जाएगा. And then I have some instant oats. Now ये powder form में है, so basically I can easily use it in my shake. मेरे को mixer का भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. I can just shake it and ये अच्छा से dissolve हो जाएगा. And इसके 100 grams में somewhat around 62 grams carbohydrates है. So that means even अगर हम 50 gram consume करेंगे इसका, so that will give me roughly around 30 grams of carbohydrate, which is approximately equal to 2 rotis. So it can keep me fuller for longer. So I can use it either in my milkshakes or when I crave for like some snack or something in the evenings. So that was all for my workout stack, for my supplement stack. So this is normally what I consume. Creatine, whey protein, pre-workout, which is on and off, and this time I have ordered this instant oats. So now these are the supplements which you can also use easily without any problems, even if you are a beginner. And apart from that, if you face any kind of issues with your energy levels or anything like that, so you can definitely DM me and I can let you know what kind of supplement you should be using or you should be adding in your overall regime. And if you have any other questions related to your exercise or nutrition, do let me know. I hope you like this video and I will be seeing you in the next one. Thank you.